Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove business portfolio from your Facebook Meta Business Suite. So first, if you have a business suite right now, account on your business suite, then make sure that you are at the right account. So this is actually my demo account that I have just opened this account for purposing this video. So if you have this business portfolio account, then make sure you are at the right account. Now you just need to go to the settings. After that, here you will find business portfolio info, so you can just simply click on it, and at the right side, at the top right side, you will find a trash icon with permanently delete business. So you can just click on this button here. So here you will find some instructions and some cautions also. So here you can see that deleting your business portfolio is permanent. Your portfolio will be deleted in 24 hours once you choose to delete it. So you have to wait for 24 hours for this deletion process completion. So you can also remove assets and deactivate ad accounts instead if you don't want to delete. So here's what will happen when you delete. All pages, ad accounts and tools added to this business will be deleted. If they belong to another business, they will return to it. Any access you have to another business's assets, like their page and pixels, will be removed. Any permissions you share with another business will be removed. So if you are aware about this caution and you are conscious that you are confirmed that you want to delete this business profile or business portfolio information, then you can just click on this delete portfolio button here. Now here you can see it is loading here, so it will take a short time. So here you can see that business portfolio schedules for deletion, so you have to wait for 24 hours, then it will just simply deleted by Facebook. So now you can just go back to the Facebook, so it will easily remove the business portfolio information. Hope you got this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.